Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Remember that video right here?
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Remember I told you that we would do these here and let them dry? They've been setting with Rust-Oleum black enamel on here, and it's dry as can be for 2 to 3 weeks probably since I did that video. And these are Sharpie permanent marker right here. I'm going to show you that that process that I gave you in that video on fresh stuff works just as good on dried ink and paint. And this is a much lighter carpet than we had prior to, which was this one right here. Much darker. Let's do it. We're going to use microfibers on this. We found that microfibers work the best, not your good ones here that we suggest you use on your car paint and ceramic coating and that kind of thing. We use these. And all we do is take the mixture. Now watch this. This has been setting 2 or 3 weeks. It literally disappears. Keep your eyes peeled. Gone. Usually takes about 3 minutes or so. Last time, eats it right up. That's gone, folks. Okay. How about the black and the red? See it? Now the red, that's going to really show if this doesn't work. You're seeing it with your own 2 eyes. Gone. Doesn't get any better than that. Keep doing it, it gets better. I guess it does get better. Now, this is the Rust-Oleum dried, crusty, hardened on. It takes about 10 minutes to get the dried paint out, so we'll speed it up for you. This stuff is bad. Now if you have crusty little chunks on here, just spray it on, rub it with your finger a little bit, get the product to work on them. If you can feel them, then you need to spray more. And if it's been setting a really long time and it's really crusty, you don't usually have to do this, but you just take a razor blade, go over it. You don't cut in like you're cutting with it, you just scrape over the top. You're not damaging the carpet at all. What you're trying to do is break those little crusty chunks up. We're going to leave that spot right there for you because you can then get an idea of where we were. Now this is pretty challenging doing it on white carpet. Most people don't have silver this bright or white. But if you do, you don't have to be afraid. You can get it out. Gone. But you see how it buckles back and forth across that tree in the camera? See that? It's right there. Now watch this. It's mind-blowing. That dent's gone, folks.